Hello, fellers and fellettes. This here is Rick Wilson, OAM Garage number 2. So, what I have done here is I need to work on this Yamaha amplifier. Just bought it. All I'm going to do is clean it all up, make sure it works good. Hey, come on. Alright, so the other problem that I was having, one thing, there we go, is the other one, I don't know what happened to it, but it got to where it was getting hot and it would just, and it would be off. The thing takes 6 speakers of surround sound. Now, I don't know if y'all have bought a surround sound system, but they're not cheap. And I was fortunate enough that somebody gave me this system because they were moving and didn't want to take it with them. So I said, yep, I'll take it. So I did. And, okay, I see something I didn't know what was wrong with it. Yep, okay. It's missing a foot. I did not know that. I think I have another foot somewhere. I don't care about that. We will see what happens. But anyway, I went to Facebook and I bought this thing for 30 bucks. That is definitely worth it if it works correctly. Now, here's the deal, and I hope the gentleman's not watching, but he was friendly, he was nice, everything about it. However, looks like this, good Lord, how many screws has this thing got in it? Bunch of them. It's just gonna need a good cleaning, so I'm gonna clean it. And then I'm gonna hook it up, and I'm gonna hope that it sounds good. And whew, yes, I have. I used to work on Hammond organs. People would come, they'd ask me, what's wrong with it? And well, what was wrong with it was that it looked like this on the inside. Can you see that? That's pretty bad. Anyway, let me go find some stuff to clean all this with. Good Lord, look at that right there. Can you see that right there? Not good. That is wax from a candle sitting on top of it. That looks like something died right there. I don't know. Anyway, let's clean it. Well, I've got it up on its side, and some of you out there are not gonna approve of this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. This thing is so nasty. It's only 30 bucks anyway. I'm fixing to fill this thing full of brake cleaner. It should just go on there like water and then evaporate very quickly. So that's what I'm fixing to do. Man, what a mess. Okay, so now, if there was any roaches and stuff like it in there, they ain't in there now, at least they ain't alive. Let's turn it this way now. Get this. Did not see that. There's a hole. Huh. Oh well. Did not see that. I may have just put that in there. I don't know. I'll look at the pictures that was on the internet and see if that hole was there. Alright, so I am done cleaning on it, and as you can see, it looks much better. But now I'm going to let it dry for about an hour, and I'll be back with you then. Alright, well, I'm ready to blow it out. It's been a couple of hours, or maybe more than that. My brother called me and we got talking about a bunch of stuff. So, alright, I'm ready to blow this thing out and get it over with. We're going to see what happens here. I'm going to turn this on so it's going to get loud. I'll show you what it looks like now. Look at that, it's a pretty trip. Look at it. Alright, anyway, it looks much better than it did. Much better, actually. Alright, so I'm ready to fire it up and put it back together, and then fire it up. Well, I guess we already put it together first, huh? Yep. Let's go. Alright, so the little fittings go back here. You go up here. Let's go t'other way, don't they? I do that. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna like that. I may just take all the feet off of it. I can't find it. I think I actually got one though. Take one off the other unit, probably gonna go in the trash anyway. That's all right. Let's put these two in there. And by the way, I showed you look like what I said was looked like it had candle sitting on top of it. That wasn't. Nope. I smelt it. When I cleaned it off, I smelt it. It was not candle. It was chocolate. It smelled good. I didn't eat it. I don't know if it was, but that's what it was, chocolate. That had fallen down in it, so I got all that cleaned up. Looks like we're taking a spell right there too. By the way, this is about a $600 or $700 unit, I think, when it was new, so I only gave $35 for it, so I'm not going to be real picky about it. Looks like it took a fall right here. You know, so. All I care about is do it work. Alright, she's all back together, she's clean, and I looked on the picture, and that little hole that's right there was already there. It just showed as a light. So I'm gonna just stick me a little piece of color something in front of that, and we'll be good to go. Alright, let's go see if we can't get her hooked up. Alright, so I had to back up a minute. I got to looking at this, the case and all. It looks hot, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I also need to see if I can find some way to stabilize it, even though that's not a big deal because it's just going to be sitting on the counter. Somebody may have thrown something at it and hit it. Probably during an Alabama or Auburn game. That's what I'm. Alright, that looks much better. Don't you agree? Yeah, it does look much better. Alrighty then. And by the way, these, I think Janet got these at Walmart. They come in a great big old round bundle, about 100 or so or more of them, and you can actually wash them. They'll last forever. Those are great little rags, and I like them. Alright, now let's go see. Alright, so when you buy something off of Facebook Market, it's not always the best thing to do. It is surround sound, however, the surround sound doesn't work, as far as I can tell. So I've just put all 6 speakers on left and right, and it still sounds pretty good, except for I can't get my, unless I strip the wires back, and I don't want to do that. Maybe I don't know what I'm going to do, but anyway, my sub speaker not working. But it sounds pretty good. I mean, it's worth 35 bucks for an amplifier. It looks good, plays good as far as I can tell. But I'm going to work on the other one. I think I'm going to blow it out and clean it up too, and let's see if I can get it to. What it was doing was it'd get about, I don't know, about an hour, and it'd heat up enough and it'd go, and then nothing. You have to wait about 10 minutes to cut it back on. So it's got a capacitor in there somewhere that's getting too hot. So maybe if I clean the dust and everything out of it like I did this one, maybe it'll stay on. I don't know. If it will, then I'm going to change it back, because I sure like it better than this one, because I really like that bottom end sound. So anyway, here's what it sounds like. Just another day in some town. And of course it's playing me. I'm sure some had it better, but we didn't know it. If times were hard on mom and dad, they didn't show it. You see, life was good as it could be. Oh, here's the line. That little boy growing up in Selma. Me. That little boy was me. Hey, look, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later.